popularity contest ang halalan kung hindi naghanap tayo ng pinakamagaling. Kumbaga sa mga eskwela, ang valedictorian dapat ang inahalal natin. Paano natin malaman na magnanakaw pala ang kandidato? Lalo na kung marami siyang TV ads na napakamahal pero kaya-kaya niya. Saan niya kinukuha ang pera na yon? It will surprise you to know that in the entire Asia, one country has the highest number of anti-corruption measures, and that country is the Philippines. Tayo ang pinakamaraming batas laban sa korupsyon. And yet, according to the 2013 Corruption Perception Index, among 177 countries, the Philippines is ranked number 94. The Philippines was among the first countries to ratify the United Nations Convention Against Corruption in